Hello everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. Today we're going to talk about Sigma Lithium because I bought more last week. And I wanted to do this update with two hats on. The first hat is from a technical analysis perspective. And with the second hat, I will do this on a fundamental analysis view. So this is why I don't like technical analysis, because technical analysts, they will say, look at this chart, it's much too high. So it's probably going to peak out and crash back down to 15, to the 16 level. It could go down back to the 10 level because it is going too high. It's from 1 to 20. So this is very bearish. And when you look at this level here at 10, we have a peak here at 17, new peak 18 and 20. So now it's probably going to go back down, forming a triangle pattern back to this resistance level to 15. So there's a lot of downside risk here. And maybe when it goes back to here, we can have a resistance and it will bounce back up, or it could fall back to the 10 level. So we are very bearish on this chart. So that's the technical analysts, and this is just voodoo to me. I really don't understand those technical analysts. Now, let's go to the second hat, the fundamental analyst. And this is where I come in. So what does the fundamental analyst do? He will go to real data, and the real data says that in the second half of 2022, lithium will be in a deficit. So that means lithium will go up. And they expect that lithium hydroxide is going to be hiked in the fourth quarter. And it will reach a new high of 600,000 yuan. So we are now at 500,000. So that's an upside of 20% in the lithium price. The fundamental analyst will also go to websites where there is news about lithium. And he will see, for example, this article where Pilbara Lithium has auctioned spodumene, which is what Sigma Lithium sells, at a price of 6,350, another record high. So this is going to go much higher by the second half of the year. And then the fundamental analysts would input all of these numbers. For example, here 6,350. I used 5,000, but you can see that when we use Pilbara Minerals auction price of 6,000, you can see what the earnings are. And the earnings tell us that Sigma Lithium is undervalued. Okay, so we are a little bit below 2 billion in market cap, and this should go to 8 billion. So that's a fourfold from here, and that's only for phase 1 with this production. And a year later, it will go to double the 531,000 production. So that will give us a valuation of 16 billion. So that's around 8-fold increase from here on out. 8-fold. So the fundamental analysts will say that this is probably an easy double, can 5-fold probably in 2 years. So this chart is only going to go higher and higher, like a hockey stick. The technical analysts will say that this has probably topped out and will go back down to resistance levels. So who are you going to follow? Okay, the technical bear or the fundamental bull? Your choice. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.